Hey everybody, this is Charlene Davis, and I wanted to record this quick video and share with you how myself and other people on my team and new people that are coming into the online space, they're able to earn and start earning quickly. Maybe they're earning $25 or $100 a day within their first couple of days or their first week. But they're new people coming to the online space. So when they're new, they have a lot of different skills to learn. And if this is you, you will have some skills to learn along the way. But as you get better at some of these skills, your income will increase faster. But my point is that I wanted to show you a way that if you are new and how you can come online and you can begin earning an income very quickly. It may not be a ton of income right away, but as you get going throughout the couple of weeks and you follow some steps, that income will increase to where you will be and can be making $125 to $500 a day. And that's ultimately where you want to be within your first 90 days. And there's a lot of people that work online, and you want to make sure that you position yourself with someone who can help you, guide you, and teach you along the way. So please, if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the little bell, the notification, so that way when I do post a new video, you'll be able to see it right away. So the program I'm talking about today is $25 One Up, and it's easy for new people because it is a self-contained program. And what I mean by that is that it gives you all of the tools that you will need as a new person coming online. It gives you your entire back office, it gives you your funnel pages, your landing pages, a contact management area where all your contacts are housed, along with an autoresponder. And an autoresponder, in case some of you that are new don't know what that is, it's when a contact comes into your back office, the system automatically is sending them out emails to follow up with them, so you don't have to do that. So, can I get that off the screen? There we go. So this is the back office, the way it looks here. And you have to bear with me here. I'm on a new computer today. I'm trying out some new things. So when you get started, we do have all the training in place to teach you how to do this business. However, I want to take it one step further and help you, guide you, teach you along the way. That's very important to make sure that you continue to go on and you have the support that you need. So when you get started, you'll come in and you'll purchase a $10 hosting fee, and all that does is really support the back office. There's servers and things in the background that support the funnel pages and all of the technology behind the scenes, and that's a very small price to pay for all of the technology that you get with this program. So it's a $10 hosting fee plus then whatever level you decide to come in at, okay? When you get, the first level is our gold level, and that level is $25. Anybody can get started in a business for as little as $35. And remember, it's one time. Some other programs that I am involved in, they require monthly fees. So if you don't have a lot of money to get started on something, but you want to do something and you have a strong desire, $35 one time will get you started. After you've had a chance to get a couple of sales, then you can scale up. I mean, I recommend coming in at the platinum level right away if you can. That's a total of $135 to get started, $10 for the hosting fee, $25 for the gold level, and $100 for the platinum level. And if you can't right away, it's okay. Just get started. But at the platinum level, our team has a blueprint that we follow step by step every single day to ensure that you'll have success with this. So if you can follow directions and you can look at a little piece of paper and say, okay, this is what I'm supposed to do today, you will have success with this program. We hand that blueprint out at the platinum level. So that's why, we strongly encourage you to come in there if you can. Recently, we've added 2 new levels. The diamond level is $250. So it would be the 25 plus the 100 plus 250 to come in at the diamond level. We have a 5th level, which is our enterprise level, and that's $500. The cool thing with the enterprise level, you come in at $500, you don't have to pay for the rest of these levels. You just pay for the enterprise level. So how cool is that? The different levels, and let me go back and explain that. So if you come in at the gold level, the highest commission you can earn is $25. But you pay the $25 one time and you can earn $25 over and over and over and over and over again. So by the first sale, you've already broke even. By the 3rd sale, you're in profit. Part of this program is your 2nd sale does get passed up to your sponsor, which does create some teamwork. And it's kind of your cost in having them help to teach you and train you and work with you, okay? So by the 3rd sale, you're in profit. If you come in at the platinum level, now you can earn $125 commissions. So you don't ever have to pass up a platinum sale. So $125 commissions, if you were making just 2 of those a week as a new online marketer, what would that do for your economy? You could pay, maybe you have a credit card bill that you're trying to get paid off, or you're behind on your utilities, or something like that. $200 a week, that's $800 a month, is a significant amount of money for some people when they're just getting started, okay? That's why we recommend the platinum level, because that can really make a difference. So unlike the gold level, you make 2 sales a week, so it's $50. I mean, $50 is great. You can go to lunch, go to dinner, whatever, but you definitely want to, position yourself as high as you can. And these 2 levels are new, so I have not upgraded to those yet, but at the diamond level, you can earn the $250 commission. So you would earn, let's say somebody came in at a diamond, you'd earn $25, $100, and $250, okay? And at the enterprise level, you would earn $500 commissions. Now, at those 2 levels, those are really life-changing, and those are helping people quit their 9-to-5s, put money in savings for retirement, helping pay for their kids' colleges, things like that. So those 2 levels. But you can't start there. Not everybody can. So start where you can and then scale up as you go. So a little income proof. So I'm going to go to our, let's see, we have a group here that my team and I had put together, and in here we kind of post our results so we can see what everybody is doing. It's hard to keep track of everybody on their individual Facebook pages. So last night we had a team training, and we try to do these every other week so we can really learn new skills from each other. Not a lot of teams in the online area have groups like this where we actually go and we have a training, we bounce ideas off each other, what's working, to really help one another excel. And we do that every other week. Here's just a little, and it's not just 1 or 2 people that are making income with this program. It's most of us. If you're willing to put in the work, you're going to earn some income. So you can see that it's a lot of people earning money with the program. Let me scroll down a little bit more here. $25, but look, she's been in the business about 5 weeks and she's $700, and that's only going to increase with time. This gal made a $25 sale. Oh, let's just keep going down. These people earned $500 this week, so let's see if we can watch the little video. So $500 this week they made. Couple of these people are new. Some of them have been doing this a little bit longer, but you have to be positioned Well, you could do 5 platinum sales and make $500 in a week, or you can do 1 enterprise and make $500 that week. Okay. So lots of people having success on our team, and it's because of the blueprint that we have in place. Okay. So definitely recommend learning more, asking questions. So right below this video, there'll be a link so you can watch how the compensation plan works, how the plan works. Reach out to me on Facebook, ask questions. I'm more than happy to get you plugged in and help you get started. And we'll get you plugged into those trainings. And so connect with me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget about that. And I look forward to your success. And with that, I hope you have a great rest of the day.